Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Peppa Pig and George Pig play ice skating. Let's start drawing. First, I draw Peppa Pig starting with her eyes. Then, I draw her smiling mouth and her cheek like this. I continue with her nose and her face. On her head, I draw a beanie. Then, I draw the scarf on her neck. Draw her hand like this. And draw her body. She is wearing a pair of ice skates. Look at Peppa Pig. She is skating so well. Next to her, I draw George Pig, starting with his eyes. Then draw his smiling mouth and his cheek. I continue with his nose and his beanie on his head. Then I draw his scarf and his body. Draw two legs like this. Now I'm going to use this black marker. To make this drawing more visible, let's coloring together. First, I use pink. Then, I use red to paint Peppa's beanie like this. I also color her clothes red. Then I use purple to paint her scarf, glove, and her ice skates. I color George's beanie dark blue. Then I use yellow to paint his scarf and his glove. Red for his ice skates. Finally, I color their skin light pink like this. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.